Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
JetBlue 1199. Call us back in 10 minutes. There's been an incident on the field. The airport's closed right now. Frontier 4195, I got the word that we're going to be closed for a little while. If you want to prepare to return to the ramp, let me know. Yeah, I know I was here. I tried to reach out to my stuff, and we were dealing with an emergency earlier, and I messed up. 5393, just remind me your position. I'm a little busy. No, remind me where you are. Okay, all right. Yeah, I was informed that the airport field's going to be closed for a while. So, sorry, it's going to be closed all night. Never mind. So, plan on returning. If you can sort that out with your ramp. 5681, I'm sorry. Say again? Yeah, there's been an incident. Airport's going to be closed for the rest of the night. Please, just coordinate with your ramp about a return. 3474, just remind me where you're at. I'm a little busy. You're waiting to get in? All right, sir. Yeah, you can shut down, whatever you need. 3417, yes, just consult your ramp about returning to the gate. The field is shut down. Told it is not going to reopen. So it's going to be like this till the morning, probably till tomorrow. Yes, 5417. Okay. Do you know if you can exit on the Alpha and then return in via lane 17? Is that possible? Do you know if you can just exit onto Alpha and then return in via lane 17, or you need to go and get turned around on like a different taxiway? Okay. All right, let's do this. Left Alpha, then go down to Lima for me. Alpha, short Lima. Just give me 1 second, please. For Endeavor 5417, Lima, Bravo, short of Mike. Okay, and it was the other Endeavor that was coming out. That was 5393? Okay, and you need to come out and go back in, right? Okay, left Alpha, right Lima, then Bravo, short of Mike. Do you, if it's easy for you to do so and you can get in, because I don't know what lane they're going to take you in on. I know it's an unusual situation. You can do so in Alpha. If you can make that turn and turn around in Alpha, it's approved. Otherwise, I'd rather just take you around the long way. I'm not sure how you get stuck behind someone. The instruction was Alpha, Lima, Bravo, short of Mike, and then I'll swing you back around in. Can you get in doing what you want to do without any sort of issues? Okay, and you can make a little turn on Alpha without that being a problem? Yeah, that's approved. Yes, please. Alpha, Lima, Bravo, short of Mike.